Well, hello, homebound folks like me. Been in the house for several days as it's been raining like hell, which is good. And it's Green Bin Wednesday. I think it's a new series I'm going to start because every Wednesday I try to make sure that my green bin is full because we pay for it, and we have a lot of property with stuff that needs to go bye-bye. So let's fill up the green bin today. So, yeah, we got a little bit of rain this week, and this is my official rain gauge. If you can see, that is like 6 inches of water. So we had about 6 inches of rain this week. Maybe just under, maybe 5.5. But anyway, yeah, I guess I'll dump the green bin. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for today. I'll give you a final look. I think it looks pretty good. Forest Life, like and subscribe. So, just did some cleanup. Looks pretty good here. Got to take my bin down, but flowers look better. Driveway's nice and clean for guests, and happy. And just for shits and giggles, I combed all this hair and cleaned out all the leaves, so it looks pretty good too. Almost forgot, these are the treasures I found. A keykeeper, a watch band, a welcome to my garden, and some kind of weird bug ornament.